we have to find measure of complement and supplement of angle 1. We have given that measure of angle 1 is 85 degrees. So let me draw this angle. 85 degrees is little less than 90 degrees, so something like this approximately. This is our angle 1. And we know that two angles are complementary angles if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. So let's draw angle 90 degrees. Will be approximately here. So the complement of angle 1, let's put that this is our complement, will be 2. Angle 2 is complement of our angle 1. So to find measure of complement of angle 1, let me put that this is ours as 90 degrees. So we can write equation that measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 must be 90 degrees. If angle 2 is complement of angle 1, the sum of these two angles must be 90 degrees. We know that measure of angle 1 is 85 degrees, so let me substitute this, plus measure of angle 2 must be 90 degrees. Now I will move 85 degrees to the right side. So we have measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees minus 85 degrees, so this is 5 degrees. We found complement of angle 1. Now we have to find supplement. So let me draw one more time this angle. We have angle 85 degrees, angle 1. So like I said, is very close to right angle, but a little less. This is our angle 1, and we know that two angles are supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is straight angles. So we have to draw straight line. This is our 180 degrees angle. So we need to find this angle. Let's put that this is our tree. This is our supplement of angle 1, because two angles are supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So we have this straight angle. So let me write that measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 3 must be 180 degrees. We know measure of angle 1 is 85 degrees. We have plus measure of angle 3, this is 180 degrees. So now I will move 85 to the right side. So we have measure of angle 3 is equal 180 degrees minus 85 degrees. So this is equal 95 degrees. So this is our supplement of angle 1. This is my solution.